We got the new Oreo Hot Cocoa Blizzard from Dairy Queen. They just released their fall lineup, and you already know I had to go with the Oreo one first to try it. We got it. Let's try it. Let's see how it is, shall we? Now, Oreo, obviously amazing. Hot cocoa, fairly good. And the mixture of the two, I guess we're about to find out. Here we go. So, you definitely get the Oreo. Good amount of chocolate. And it's weird, but you do taste like hot cocoa in there. Fairly good, definitely enjoyable. We'll gladly eat this. I'm going to give it an 8.5 out of 10. Check it out. Let me know what you think about it.